stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Ama ngifuna ini chili bites. Chili bites we 50 rand.
50 rand.
Take it. Let's go and pay.
I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. 'Cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your cells go. Now you're getting real.
I did the ocean now. Yeah, ngathi sekhona. Angiyifuni na video le. Le video le ngiyifuni.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mind. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Never fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before. Someone waterfall. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it.
Hello. Saya bona i-Mac 4.
My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's all a blessing.
Look at this beauty. Oh, Mpumalanga, it's beautiful, guys. The low-felt side. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Ngang bam. Phone.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, sugar, be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function.
Thank you, Coco. Oh, I'm so tired. It's not even a long route, but it's so hot in here.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart.
Are you ready?
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go?
You need diaper.
Yeah, it looks like a diaper. There is an elevator that's gonna take us up, Mama.
Yeah.
In my space, but I need it.
Pray, don't forget to pray.
Don't forget to pray.
That's it. La la la. Yes, sir.
Seribiala. Bambi. Uyaphika nje. Angimboni mina.
Mama.
Where?
What's up,
Ngiyambona. Walk, my baby.
I'm almost there.
You're almost there. You faced your fears today. Go get
One more.
one more. Oh my
Looks
God.
like this one is gonna be like this one because when I walk, it looks like it's going back.
Who's Oguhle?
Me,
Can do what?
face of fear.
You can do what?
Face my fear.
Face your face, and you can do anything.
You put in mine.
Hmm?
Everything you put in mine.
Yes. Thank you. High five. Yes.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mind. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not the sabotage.
And it is flying in the elevator.
So kunaba mosquito vele phasi.
Ayisama nyama so
Just lumeka noma imali lelo.
100
Ay man, ntolunywa vele. Nini sibhadala la?
It's over the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturday. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah. Karma's been
Njani?
around. How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong, though. giving me. I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
something.
Stay tuned.
We are enjoying them. What's in there? Okay. Manje sigu forest walk. We are enjoying this.
Mara, I know what it bed. Yeah, what I see that bed, nam nyezi now.
Let go. You can do it. So practically so feel okay. Can I have some color?
The 40 minutes walk.
We are tired. Like,
We are here now.
This was like 30 minutes max.
No, it was 40.
it was supposed not
Or
the
20. Yeah.
But peace, we back safe. The wonders of God. Look at that. And today is not full.
I'm vlogging. Can you say hi again? Hi. I'm eating this, not mine, but this cream orange Kalen Beauty. Great, but tiring. Yes.
What's tiring?
That 40-minute walk around the forest. And it was even scary because there was these things like making sounds and they were not crickets.
Bukansini.
I don't know, I thought it was a snake or something.
So go back very snake bozo in the room.
I think so. Talk. Okay, let me just stay tuned. We're almost at Nelspruit, and don't worry, I will give you guys a room tour as soon as we get there.
Hi sis.
Don't worry. Don't.
Yaphila.
Stay tuned.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.